Hi, this is Purnima Devi from SNSCT. In this last class, I discussed about the what is the importance of data analytics, and now I discuss about the best practices of that is benefits of visualizing the data. So first thing is the visualization. Data visualization is the representation of information and data using charts, graphs, map, and other visualization tools. So the visualization allows easily to understand any pattern, trends, or outliers in this data sets. It also makes data accessible to the general public or specific audience without the technical knowledge. For example, a government health agencies might provide a map to vaccinated regions. So these can all be graphical representation easily understand to the particular people or some other persons who didn't know about that data. So the purpose is to help to drive the informed decision making and add colorful meaning to the database. So the benefit is the data visualization used in the context that either nearly every field like public policy, finance, marketing, retail, education, history, sports, and all other organizations. Thus there is maximum all the organization use the data visualization process, which is used to represent the yearly goal. So the main benefit is storytelling. The people are drawn to colors and patterns in clothing, arts and cultures, architecture, and more. So the data is no different colors and patterns. So the data should be either anything of the data. So the data would be a numerical value, audio, video, either structure, non-structures. All the data can be extracted and it will be visualized what have to be informed to the particular audience. And it is a very accessible one. So the information is stored in accessible. It can be easily understand manner used in this variety of for the variety of audience. So the visualization relationship is used to spot the relationship and spot patterns within the data sets. So the data is an that we collect we say extracted data is some related data sets can be presented in a chart or graph in anything. So the next one is it is more accessible data, that is more opportunities to explore, collaborate, and some actionable decision can be taken using these data. So the data, what are all the data visualization tools now we are using is, so Tableau, Google Charts, Power BI, Jupyter, Infogram, chart blocks, d3.js, Fusion charts, Grafana. These are all the data visualization tools we are using. So using the, but nowadays many of the organization using Tableau tool. So these are all the free of cost in 14 days. So after the 14 days only we pay the premium. So using this 14 days we collect the information from a Kaggle. The sample data can be collected from the Kaggle. So there are more number of historical data is there. So any type of organization need to collect the information that has to be downloaded from the Kaggle. So these are all the very important things we are used. So the types of data visualization is, so the data visualization can be represented in some particular uh, types. So the table is a data display using rows and columns. We can create a Word document or Excel sheet or anything. The data can be represented in a rows and columns. The charts or graph, the information represented in a table form, which will be displayed along x and y axis format. So some rows and columns has to be taken as a x and y axis. We can use a bar chart, line chart, or points, some pie charts which we are collected from this data is to be percentage type. These are all the charts and graph. Gantt chart is a bar chart that timelines and tasks specifically used in project management. The next is pie chart. It divides the data into a percentages featured, that slices of a pie. So the next is that data is depicted in a map form with the shapes and colors that illustrate the relationship between the locations. So the next dashboard is a visualization display tool that more number of images can be displayed using these dashboards. So thank you.